Welcome back to the PowerShell tutorial series. In this video, we're moving to the next level, mastering intermediate commands that make you work faster and smarter. Let's get started. First, press Windows+R and type PowerShell and hit Enter. Alright, let's start. When you're not sure how a command works, type get help followed by the command name. You can even use examples to see real command samples. Here I'll type get help and the command name will be copy item. As you can see, there's a name, syntax, and aliases. If you are still not sure how to use it and you needed some examples, we can type get help and command name, then -example. So when I type get help copy item examples, it should show me some examples. But as you can see here, it says get help cannot find the help files for this complet on this computer. Don't worry, that's totally normal. It just means the full help files haven't been downloaded yet. You can fix this easily. When you have internet, just open PowerShell as administrator and type this command .update help. That'll download all the help files, and next time, you'll see the full examples. PowerShell has hundreds of built-in commands. To explore them, use get command. You can also filter results to find commands related to specific topics. These are all PowerShell commands. Now let's try another useful command, .get command file. In PowerShell, get command is used to list all the commands that are available, but when we add file with the asterisks, it acts like a wildcard search. That means PowerShell will show every command that has the word file in its name, like copy item, move item, remove item, or get child item, because all of these work with files and folders. Pipelines let you send the output of one command into another. For example, list files and then pass them to select object or sort object for clean results. This command will select very first 5 directories and list them here. Here are 5 directories listed here. Get child item lists all the files and folders in the current directory, just like the dir command in CMD. The vertical line is called a pipeline. It sends the output of one command into another. So here, the list of files from getChildItem is being sent into sortObject. Then, sortObject length means PowerShell will sort all the files by their size, the smallest first and the largest last. Now let's learn how to filter what we see using PowerShell. First, let's say we only want to show files that are larger than 1 kilobytes. We can do that with this command. getChildItem where object $_ length GT1 kilobyte. Here's what happens. getChildItem lists all the files and folders in the current directory. The pipeline symbol sends that list to another command, where object. And here, I don't have anything that is 1 kilobytes, so it's listed nothing. Now, what if we only want to see folders, not files? We can use this command. getChildItem where object $_.psIsContainer eq$true. Here, PSIsContainer is a property that tells PowerShell whether the item is a folder. If it's true, that means it's a folder. So this command filters out everything else and only shows the folders in the current directory. Now let's see how to sort files by their names using PowerShell. The command is .getChildItem sortObject name. Here's what happens. getChildItem lists all the files and folders in the current directory. The pipeline sends that list to the next command. sortObject name arranges all the items alphabetically by their name, from A to Z. If you want to sort from Z to A, you can add the descending flag. .getChildItem sortObject name, descending. Great job! That you've just learned how to explore commands, use pipelines, filter files and folders, and sort or export your results in PowerShell. These intermediate commands are a huge step toward becoming a PowerShell pro. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss the next tutorial, where we'll dive into loops, conditions, and real automation scripts.